Hi guys, my name is Nargis. I just turned 17. It's the first time that I actually like speak and I'm not dancing. I'm just letting you guys know that English isn't my first language. I'm French. I might be like making some videos in French with English subtitles and some videos in English with French subtitles because I have like a lot of people that follow me who come from like all around the world. English is like the universal language. Wait, I'm kind of nervous, like it's my first time being like that, but it's okay, we're besties. So yeah, I'm gonna be making a makeup tutorial. I don't really have like a daily makeup routine since I like to change every day. So yeah. So first off, I just washed my face. I'm gonna use cream. No, yeah. So yeah, I don't really have like a daily makeup routine. It depends on how I'm feeling that day. So I've been using this one since I was like in middle school or something. So it's been like 5 years. It's from KIKO. It's the 04. Oh, as you can see, I'm not a professional, so please don't come for me. I don't even know if this makeup is gonna be useful to like anyone. I think we're good. Next, I'm gonna put on some concealer, and I'm also gonna put some on my pimples. Where are you, pimples? Like not on all my pimples, but on the red ones. But it's okay to have pimples. I usually don't hide them. Also, disclaimer, I don't have a lot of brushes, so I might be using the same brushes like twice. Yeah. Then I'm gonna put a bit of powder. Alright. Then I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I use this pencil. It's an eyebrow marker. I just follow my natural shape.
I hope no one heard that, cause if they did, we gon' be in some trouble.
Okay, let's go for the eyes. So I use the White Peach palette from Too Faced. Today I'm gonna mix Crème de la Peach, so French, and Peach Suede. Yay! Some highlighter, also from the White Peach palette. It's Peach Eyes. So sexy. I'm just gonna put some under my eyebrow. Okay, we good. I'm gonna do a bit of like contouring. Don't get mad at me. I started doing contouring like the day I turned 17, so it was a week ago. So I'm sorry if that looks like really messy and ugly, but I like it. So it's just like 3 colors, so I just use these. I also think that's not the right brush to use. Please don't get mad at me for not knowing how to do, like how to contour. I just like playing around with makeup. It just makes me happy. Yay! Then we're gonna do my nose. Yeah, I think that's the right moment to do my nose. I think it's gonna look a bit weird. Like, you're gonna think it looks weird, but I like doing it that way. I usually use like a dark red and brown. Let me just show you something. I'm gonna put these on here. I told you I'm freestyling. Does it look good? Then I'm gonna use like the same brownish and reddish. Don't scream. I add some more brown, and I'm gonna put it here and under my nose. I know it's really red. It's okay. I'm not gonna die. I'm gonna use my concealer. I think I'm gonna add some more like beige to make it look less red, because it's like really red, even though I like it. I'm just gonna put on some eyeliner again on the tip of my nose and on here. Yeah, it looks cool. I'm gonna use this. I'm just gonna put some on here and here. So I'll just go like straight like that. Then I'll connect with, like, you know, here. I cannot speak. And then I'm gonna go like straight to like the middle of my eye here, around here. And also, yeah, one thing, like, don't go like that, because then when you look straight, it won't be connected. So you have to look straight at yourself. Okay, and then I just fill that in. Like, the first time I tried was when I was in middle school because of Ariana Grande, because I've been like a fan since then. Like, I love her. And so I wanted to try doing my eyeliner, and at first it looks so bad, and it's okay. Like, I remember the first time, like, I wasn't even able to, like, the pencil, like the brush thingy, like, well, like, I was shaking so bad. And I remember even doing my eyeliner on days I wasn't wearing any makeup, just to like practice, you know. And now it's like drawing, because now I know my eye shape, and so I can play around. I'm gonna use this again and go here. It really isn't supposed to look huge, like, it's just tiny little triangles. I'm gonna add some black, so I have my palette here, and I'm just gonna apply it under my eye. Wow! Okay, I'm gonna add glitters to make a contrast. Now I'm gonna mascara, so it's the Lash Sensational by Maybelline, New York. My lashes look so cool, like, it's my natural, like, it's one of my biggest flex. Okay, now it's good. Next. So for my blush, I use that type of color. And I always put a bit on my chin. I don't know why. I think I've seen this somewhere. So I just apply it, like, where is it? Oh, it's here. And then I'll overline. I love overlining. So I just follow the natural line on the sides, and then I go crazy. I just go. I know some people are like, why are you doing this to your lips? That looks so fake. Yeah, that kinda is the point. I love my lips. I love the way my lips look. But I also like, you know, when you do makeup, you can use makeup the way you want to use it. Like, if you want to look with a natural makeup, go for it. If you want a crazy makeup, go for it. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me. My ad is Narjesse, Naarjesse. A lot of people have been asking me for a lip tutorial on Instagram, so I'm gonna show you how I do my lips. But I would have loved to just like leave it like that. For my lips, I'm gonna use, I think, the same I used for my nose, a like dark brown and some dark red. And I don't know, like, this technique Like, you know, it gives it a bit of a blurry effect. Like, it's weird, but I love it. And then I'm gonna put, so this is from Etude House, and I put it on the inner side of my lips. And I'm also gonna use some concealer, like just a tiny bit. And we're done! So that was my makeup tutorial. Let me know what kind of videos you like to see on my YouTube channel, and leave a thumbs up, even though like that was really freestyling. Like I just like went with the flow. And so please mention me in your Instagram stories if you do my makeup. I'd love to see y'all how you do it. Like I know it could look really pretty on y'all's pretty face. And please follow my Instagram, so it's NAARJESSE. Same for my TikTok account. I'm really active on TikTok and IG, and yeah, I'll try to be more active on YouTube also. So yeah, I hope that was useful. Even if it wasn't, I had a lot of fun, and I'm happy because I've recorded so many YouTube videos and I've always like deleted them because I felt so awkward and it was weird. But today I felt great. So yeah, I hope you like this video. And oh, I don't want to say bye. They're all saying bye. Goodbye, guys. I love you all, and you're so loved, and I love you, and I'm proud of you. Bye bye.